Hey there YouTube! In today's video we're going to run this Harbor Freight Titanium 200 Unlimited through all of its other functions. Now I did another video where I did some pretty heavy duty stick welding with this welder. And a lot of people seem genuinely interested in seeing how all the other processes work. So I've got a few things set up here. We're going to do MIG, TIG. We're going to go back to stick and see if it'll run some 60-10. It's kind of pointless to me. If you're doing code welding that requires 60-10, you're not going to be using a Harbor Freight welder, so it doesn't really matter, but because some people asked for it, I'll go ahead and do it. Got a box here of 1/8 inch 60-10, so hopefully it at least runs it okay so I can use that stuff up. I hate to buy it and throw it away, but seems how you guys asked for it, I'll go ahead and do it. I would have loved to have done this video with an actual project. I've got a couple that I'd like to do. I have a set of pallet forks that I got a really good deal on. I want to build a frame for that to make a set of skid steer fork. And I've also got a 16-foot car trailer that I'd like to add a 2-foot dovetail on. However, I don't have enough time to complete either of those projects in the time that I've got to do this video. So those will have to be a video for another day. But anyway, let me get a few cameras set up here and we'll get to it. I do like that the actual drive roller mechanism is actually metal. Some of the really cheap machines, this drive roller is plastic. I'm using the supplied wire, although you can clearly see that it comes with the attachment for the 10-pound spool, and that a 10-pound spool will clearly fit in this machine. Now for the purpose of this video, we're going to use the wire that came with the welder, as well as the recommended settings that are on the inside of the lid. Well, we've got some 3/16 mild steel, hot rolled. We've cleaned the mill scale off of it with flat disc, and we've got some T-joints as well as some outside corner joints. And we're just going to do a little welding here and see how it does. Much better. Go ahead and do enough. For this 3/8, they didn't have a recommended setting for 30 thousandths wire, so these are the settings I came up with. And it actually produced a very acceptable weld. So what we're going to do next is we're going to try TIG welding. So we just need to set this machine up. We need to switch to 100% argon. which we're connect to our manual TIG torch. I'm not a TIG welder. I don't claim to be. Honestly, I've only done a couple of welds with TIG, and that's the results that I got. Eighth at 60-10. Got the power cord adapter plugged into 110 volts. This is where I started out on the recommended settings on the cover. That's where I ended up after a little bit of tweaking. I feel the initial settings indicated on this cover are off a bit. I felt that pretty much every weld that I did wanted more wire speed, more voltage than what this chart indicates. Here's the rated duty cycles on the machine. I feel, if anything, the duty cycles are underrated on this from the last video that I did, where I really ran this thing through its paces. The TIG torch that comes with this machine is a manual TIG torch with the manual gas valve. And I'm not sure if a foot pedal is going to be available for this machine or not. I would hope that a foot pedal becomes available. I would think that it will, because all the hardware should already be in the machine. Be sure to check out my other videos for more shop-related content. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe down below. Thank you. Have a good day.